Hello guys, this is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channels. Welcome to another episode. Well, today is the mid of March of 2018, and if you're wondering what's happening in the Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, generally they are something like this. Bitcoin chart over here is like doing very well early this year, but right now it is reaching the support line, and today is reacting by having a hammer yesterday, and today is recovering a little bit, but it might be a small bounce, and it's still generally a stronger downtrend. Look at the MACD down here. So right now, if you guys are watching this video and you guys want to know how to trade and earn extra bucks from the price fluctuation for Bitcoin or Litecoin or any other major cryptocurrency, and it doesn't matter whether it's going up or down, because we can trade CFDs to earn profits whether the price is going up and also when the price is going down. It is unlike the exchange or also owning a Bitcoin, because you can only earn extra money when the price goes up in the exchange or when you actually own a physical coin. So if you are doing those two, those are great, but if you need an alternative strategy that can earn an extra bucks even though the price goes down, you can try CFDs. So but what if you guys need a trading signals to tell you how to time your trade or whether to buy or sell? Then continue watching this video and you're going to find out how I do it. So before I start the content, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video if this video is help you out in any ways. Okay, so stay tuned guys. So what you see here on your screen is the BitBubbleTech's trading signal platform. So it provides signals for Bitcoin, Monero, Ethereum, Dash, and Litecoin. So as you can see right now, there's no active signals for any of these coins right now. So I'm just, most of the time it's going to be like this because there's no active trading opportunity every single hour. In fact, it depends on the market movement. So what we're going to do is I'm going to wait for an active signal and gonna record the trade execution for you guys. So in the meantime, if you guys want to check this software out, just click on the link in the description box below. Just put in your email and your name, and you can get a free ebook along from this registration. So do check them out, and stay tuned guys for more trade execution right in this video. What's up guys? So now we have our first signal, which is a Bitcoin signal. So as you can see, my balance 1529.79, and there's no other signals at this current moment. So let's gonna do a Bitcoin signal, and it's today's date at 15th of March at my local time of 9:50 a.m. and the live price is 8084.4, and then trend expiration is about the same day but 2 p.m. so it's more or less about 4 hours trade. So meaning that I should get a buy, this is a put signal, meaning that we should sell Bitcoin at a price of near 8084.4 and hold the position for approximately 4 hours. So let's go ahead and do that trade. All right guys, so this is my broker's page, and look my balance on top about 1005. So I'm going to execute the trade. 250 investment, leverage 10, stop loss 20, and take profit 100, and click sell. Okay, so now I have an open position, and you can see my balance is reduced because of the trade, and I have this open sell position right here. So right now it's down by $5, about 5 euros, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this position until near the trend expiration, and then I will be closing this position. Then hopefully it's going to be making some profits for me. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Look at my balance is unchanged, and right now it's slightly after 2 p.m. my local time, and look at the open position here. So it seems like Bitcoin did reduce in price, and although the price reduced, I'm earning about 100 euros profit right now, and it's still fluctuating, as you can see under the profit level over there. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm most likely going to close this position, but you can see how easy it is to follow the signals, because the signals provide the direction and at what price you should aim to enter the trade. So mine is pretty close at 8101.3, and you, aside from the direction, the price, and then there's the another important information is to when to close your position. So this is one perfect example of the many successful trade I have with this trading signal software. So like I said, you guys can check the software out. The link is in the description box below. You can get a free ebook as well once you register. Okay, so we look at the charts right here. The price definitely did go down. It's a strong downtrend. So I'm definitely going to close this position because I'm really happy now with the profits. All right, so I'm close the position right here. So under the order history, you can see my balance has already increased to 1,650 and 99 cents. So under my recent trades, you can see a profitable trade down there. So one good trade example. So I'm going to record for one more signal for today before I sign off. So do stay tuned for the next trade. Hello guys, I'm back again. So it's been about over 10 hours, nearly 10 hours since the last signal. I've been doing my stuff. So that's the beauty about this software. I can just check in whenever I can, and then if there's a signal at the moment that that is very near, that's not too far off from my current time, then I'm going to go ahead to place a trade. So right now, for example, right now is a little bit past 11 p.m., which is 23, and it was not too long ago that this signal came up. So I'm good. This is going to be a buy signal for Bitcoin, so meaning that I'm going to do the same, except that this time is buying. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin at a price near 8318.1, and it starts at not too long ago, 11 p.m. of today, and it's going to trend expiration, which is about 7 hours later. So I'm going to hold this position, set my alarm, and probably close the position somewhere near 6 a.m. tomorrow. So let's go ahead and do that. You probably noticed that my balance has slightly increased due to the wins from the previous position as well. Okay, so moving on, let's continue to our trade. All right, guys, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put 250 for one trade, leverage 10, 20 stop loss, and 100 take profit, and click buy. Okay, so trade opened successfully. All right, so you can see my balance is reduced again, and under the open position, there's the buy position there. And as usual, so we got to wait for the price to fluctuate towards our direction. Usually, this is the advantage of taking a long-term trade, because basically I'm risking 20% stop loss, which is like $50, but I'm aiming to take much more profit than that. So in worst case scenario, I would be losing $50, and as you can see that in my previous trade, although worst case scenario I would be losing 50, but in the end I've actually earned 100. I could have earn more if the market situation allows it. So this is the good thing about trading CFDs, especially in long-term signals. All right, so now it's in the green. So I'm going to wait for this position towards the trend expiration and close the position. I'll be right back again. All right, guys. So my balance right now, it's 1,752.46. So really a good day today. Two winning trades from just a few minutes of looking at the software at BitBoWTech, if whether there's a signal or not. If there's no signal, I won't trade, and if there's a signal, I just execute them if the start date is not too long from the time I check for the signals. So basically it's been working very well. If you guys have not followed me, since the beginning, I've started trading with this software with only $300, and all of the trade execution is purely coming from BitBoWTech software. So just to show you guys where, like, how my trade has been going, is going super great. So let me click on my trade history right here. Let me open on a new tab. All right. All right, so you can see here's my balance, and this is my broker's page. You guys will probably get another broker, and their time format might be a little different. Mine will be exactly the same as my computer. Most brokers will follow GMT plus 0 format. So nevertheless, let me check out my trade since the beginning. It'll be around 1st of January, and then today is right now it's 17th of March. Let's see, 17th of March, and I'll click search. All right, so you guys can check out my latest two trades, which is just now. This is the one that I closed after when I put an alarm and wake up and close this position. It's a really good profit. So I invested 250 in a trade and I got back 351.47. That means I've earned about 101.47 profit from this latest trade. And the previous one is invest 250. I get 371.2. So listen, not every brokers report their trade histories the same manner. It's just that VIP cryptos, you gotta do this subtraction to get the profit. So let's say 300, I got it back, and 250 means I get $50 profit. So it's been a really good winning trade. So last time I've started with a 125 investment trade and stop loss about 20%. That means I'll whenever I lose a trade, I'll lose about um 20 $25, I guess. Yeah, $25, correct. $25. So those that I get less than 1 to 5 means I've lost the trade. But the beauty about it is I could loss minimum, and the maximum that I could lose is just 25. So it's really good stuff. So I mean, all in all, I'm really happy with this trading software. You guys should check it out if you guys are interested in trading cryptocurrency through CFDs. And remember, right now is the perfect time to trade CFDs for cryptocurrency. If you have been checking out the price for cryptos, it's been going down like crazy. I mean, like the downtrend is really ongoing, and there's no way you can profit by a downward movement in price, especially if you are holding the coin or you are trading through an exchange. Because if you're trading through exchange, the whole cryptocurrency is losing monetary value as of this moment. Not saying that in the long term it's not going to pick up. Well, I do believe that it's going to pick up, but right now there's a way to profit through cryptocurrency when the price falls down, and why not I just do it. And that's why I trade CFDs for cryptocurrencies, and this software definitely helps me time my trade very well. So I can have information about the entry time and how long should I hold a position. So that's why it's super great. Alright guys, so before I sign off today's episode, I'm going to request for withdrawal. So because I started this trading journey with Withdrawal Tech software with only 300 euros, and today I'm going to request to withdraw my 300 euros initial investment. So, and then I'm going to continue to let this profit that I've earned from this software to continue growing to hopefully a couple of thousands more. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click withdrawal request. Okay, so I've got no previous withdrawal requests available, so I'm going to click the add withdrawal request. Okay, so now I'm going to tap out 300 euros and click proceed. Alright, so I've got like 300 euros correct. So I'm going to pause the video while I fill this confidential information. I will record right after I click request withdraw. Alright, so be right back guys. Okay, so I'm back. So I've got this new thing over here. It says that it's 300 euros and it's pending. So the time difference I think is due to the location of their office, I guess for record purposes instead of my location time. So there's no change to my balance. I guess the balance will only be deducted after the withdrawal request is approved. So typically in most cases, withdrawal requests will take about 3 business days to process. So I'll keep you guys updated and of the situation, but I highly doubt that there would be any problem. I've heard that some that worked with VIP crypto, there's no problem with withdrawals, as long as you verify your account. So to do your account verification, you've got to check with the broker's page. Is usually a process that involves submitting your personal documents for identification purposes. So once you've verified your trading account, there's definitely no issues with your withdrawals. So I guess that's all for today's episode guys. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So do remember to subscribe to my channel if you guys are interested in cryptocurrency, especially in trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Please do subscribe and like this video if you guys find this content useful. Till next time guys, so trade safe.